Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, sometimes there are things that you do that keep you safer than others. And if you're on Windows 10 and have moved to 0Patch, or if you are using 0Patch anyways, rather than Windows Update, the funny thing is that there's a security flaw happening right now. And that security flaw, which affects Windows, has not been assigned a ID yet of any flaw, security flaw. So Microsoft, of course, did not fix anything that has to do with that security flaw. So this flaw, which is exploited and kind of half fixed because the patches for security did fix one flaw that makes it a little more difficult to exploit this one. But still, the RasMan service, or the Remote Access Connection Manager, is affected within Windows. Now, the funny thing is that if you're on 0Patch, you have had a patch that fixed this flaw. So users of 0Patch, in fact, are actually more secure right now than Windows users that use Windows Update. So this is, the funny thing about how Microsoft might sometimes not be really up to date, and we say it's sometimes a little sloppy in doing these fixes. So Microsoft, of course, came back, said, yeah, we are going to fix it. The next Patch Tuesday update will fix the complete flaw. But I guess the reason why they're not really, going fast at it is because, as they did mention in their own blog post, the flaw that is the remote Access Connection Manager is fully exploited mostly when another security flaw is also there. And since they fixed half of it, this escalation of privilege for the vulnerability is more difficult. So at least half of it is fixed. We'll say it like that. Doesn't mean that it's totally fixed. It means it's more complicated to fix. But it is kind of interesting to note that 0Patch has already fixed this if you're using that. And this affects Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.